Question number 11, that is 5x square plus 10x. 5x square plus 10x, that is question number 10. So question number 10, that is 5x square plus 10x. So f of x is equal to 5x square plus 10x. So it will be f of x is equal to 0. So 5x square plus 10x equal to 0. We are going to compare with the equation. Okay, later we can see whenever there is the two term, we cannot go for the middle term. If there are three terms, there is coefficient of a, coefficient of b, along with the coefficient of there is a constant, then only we can go for the middle term. Here there is only two term. Whenever there is a two term, we cannot go for the middle term. When there is a three term, then only we can go for the middle term. So this is only two term, so we can take the common 5, because take the number which take the highest number which divide the both. Here 5 also divide, here each divide the 10 also, so it will be 5. Here also x, here also x, so take the 1x common, 5x, so it will be x plus 5 to the 5, 10, x already gone equal to 0. So either, so it will be 5x equal to 0, so it will be x equal to 0 divided by 5. If anything, if 0 divides by anything, it will be 0, so x equal to 0. Now or, so there is x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2. So we got the zeros of polynomial, that is 0 and minus 2. The value of x, that is the zeros of the polynomial. So the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are 0 and minus 2. Therefore alpha is equal to the first one 0, beta is the second, and that is value of a, c. We have only the equation, we have to find the value of a, b, c. So this is the ax square plus 10x equal to 0. Compare with the equation a x square plus bx plus c. So coefficient of x square, that is a, so a equal to 5. A equal to 5. Now b, there is coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 10. C, there is no constant, so it will be 0. We got the a, b, c. A 5, b 10, c 0. Write it here along with it. So for the calculation it will be easy. So a equal to 5, b equal to 10, and c equal to 0. Now for the verification, sum of 0, that is alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha? 0 plus beta minus 2 equal to 0 plus and minus 2, so it will be minus 2. Sum of 0, that is minus b by a. Minus from the formula value of b, that is minus 2 divided by a is, wait, minus from the formula value of b, that is 10, value of a 5, cancel it 2, so it will be minus 2. Now product of zeros, product of zeros, that is alpha into beta. What is the value of alpha? 0, value of beta minus 2. If any number multiply by 0, it will give 0. So product of zeros, that is c by a. What is the value of c? 0. What is the value of a? 5. If 0 is divided by 5, it will give 0. So here also equal, here also equal. So hence verified, hence the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient are verified. Between the zeros and the coefficient are verified. So now next question. This is also a little bit different. This is also two term. That is question number 12. 8x square minus 4, 8x square minus 4. Question number, I think not, this is not question number 10. This is question number 11. Now question number 12. Question number 12, the given question 8x square minus 4, that is f of x is equal to 8x square minus 4. So f of x is equal to 0, so it will be 8x square minus 4 equal to 0. Compare with this equation a x square plus bx plus c, because we need the abc value. So in front of x square will be a, in front of x will be b, coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So what is the coefficient of x square? So this is a, so a equal to 8. B, is there any term that there is the x? No, so nothing is there, so b equal to 0. Now c is the constant, that is minus 4. Now here also, because this is the two term, whenever there is a two term, we cannot solve, we will solve it, but by the we cannot solve by the middle term. So from here what we can take the common, from here we can take the common, that is, okay, take the 4 that side, 8x square equal to, it will be 4. So will be take the 8 that side, next x square equal to 4 by 2, 4 by 8, we can cancel, so it will give 4 to 8. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find the value of x. So whenever square, here if we change the position, means take the another side of square, another side, then it will square will be become square root along with the 2 sign. So plus minus equal to plus minus root over 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. What is the value? Now we can separate it. So x equal to plus minus root 1 and root 2. Root 1 value of root 1 x is equal to plus minus 1 divided by root 2. So you got the two values of x, that is one is plus 1 by root 2, another is minus 1 by root 2. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial are, there is पहला प्लस में से क्या 1 by root 2 and तीन जगह minus 1 by root 2. गो अल्फा फंक्शन है, अल्फा 1 by root 2 and here is minus 1 by root 2. So alpha equal to, it will be 1 by root 2 and this is beta, so beta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, and therefore a is equal to, there is given a is 8, we already got 8, and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. We got the ABC and we got the alpha beta. So now it's for the verification. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha? 1 by root 2 plus what is the value of beta? Minus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus into minus 1 by root 2. Take the LCM, it will give root 2. Divide it by root 2, it will give 1. So 1 into 1, 1 minus here to root 2 divided root 2, 1 1 into 1 1, so 1 minus 1 0 by root 2, so it will give 0. Any number 0 divided any number, it will give 0. Sum of zeros, that is alpha into, minus b by a. Minus from the formula, what is the value of b? So it will be 0. A is how much? 8, so it will be 0. Now come for the product of zeros. Product of zeros, there is multiplication, alpha into beta. What is the value of alpha? 1 by root 2 into value of beta minus 1 by root 2 equal to, the top and top will be multiplied, the down and down will multiply. So it will be plus into minus is minus, 1 into 1, root 2 into root 2, it will be 2, because root a into root a is a. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to c by a. What is the value of c? Minus 4. What is the value of a? 8. We can cancel it, 2. So it will go 1 by 2. So this and this are equal. Hence, the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient are verified. Zeros and the coefficient are verified. Question number 13. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, given, that is p of x equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k, satisfy the relationship alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4, then find the value of k. We have to find the value of k, and given alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So this is question number 13. So p of x is given 2x square plus 5x plus k. We can find the sum of zeros from here. Compare with the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus c. P of x is equal to 0, so 2x square plus 5x plus k equal to 0. Compare with this equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So here will the value of a, coefficient of x square, that is 2, b, coefficient of x, that is 5, what is a constant, that is k. Now from here we cannot find a middle term. Why? Because we cannot find a middle term, because here k is unknown. So what you will do, we are going to find, we know that sum of zeros, that is alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, we know it. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, already given, zeros of the polynomial. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to, this is sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Here formula will be minus b by a, alpha plus beta, we don't know it, so it will be alpha plus beta minus b is 5, minus 5 by 2, b by a. Now for alpha beta, and for the product alpha into beta, we write it c by a. So alpha into beta, now what's value of c? K. Value of a, there is 2. Now we have to, one equation is given, that is alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4, it is given 21 by 4. Now instead of alpha square plus beta square, what can we write? See, I am going to use this, that is alpha plus beta whole square. I know that is a alpha square plus beta square plus 2ab, 2 alpha beta, 2 alpha beta. So alpha square I have, beta square I have. Here I have only one alpha beta, but I need 2. So what I am going to do, I need a plus, I am going to add alpha, I am going to add the alpha as well as alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square plus, here alpha beta already given. Now I am going to add another alpha beta minus alpha beta, because if you solve it you will get 0, but I need it, that's why I have to arrange it. So equal to how much? 21/4. So alpha beta plus alpha beta, so it will be alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta equal to 21/4. See, now instead of this I can write alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta equal to 21/4. What is the value of alpha plus beta? That is minus 5/2. So minus 5/2 whole square minus alpha beta, that is k by 2. Our main target is to find the value of k. So that is 21/4. Here it will be 5 square minus 5 square, that will be 25. 2 square 4 minus k by 2 equal to 21/4. Here we can take the LCM, so it will give 4. So it will be 25 minus, so it will be 2k equal to 21/4. This side also 4, this side also 4 cancel. So minus take, now it will give 25 minus 2k equal to 21. Keep the k that side, keep the k this side. So minus 2k is equal to 21 minus 25. So it will be minus 2k is equal to minus 4. So minus and minus cancel, so k is equal to, we can cancel 4/2. 4/2 cancel it 2. So k is equal to 2. So therefore the value of k is, therefore the value of k is 2.